Hi guys, welcome back to Waterford. As you can see, the front building's moving along. Starting to put the flooring in this morning. Doors are going in and the painters are on board.
Welcome back to Chapman Street, Chapel Hill. We've made a lot of progress since we've seen you last. The subfloor is down, upper level frames are complete, the roof trusses are on, and we're just about to straighten the lower roof section in preparation for a custom PFC.
Welcome back to Yarradale. We've had another big month again. All our plastering, internal awnings are finished. Our finishing trades have started to move in. The tiling in the wet areas have gone in. Vanities have been installed.
All right, welcome back to Mumble. We've been pretty busy here the last few weeks. We've managed to get to lockup, so all our cladding is installed, windows and doors have gone in, and currently got our sparkies and plumbers rocking in, ready for plastering next week.
All right, welcome back to Hetherington. As you can see, the house is now being raised and in position. Our concrete footings are going in for the blockwork, for the carport base, and also for our pier footings out the back.
Hi guys, welcome to Fluid at Albany Creek. As you can see, it's only a small building. It's an office block for Fluid. As you can see, we're moving along fairly quickly. Roofing's on, cladding's on, and we're about to start the internal fit out.